Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to create in cell chart in Excel. Okay, so if you want to create in cell chart in Excel, this video will show you how to do it. Okay, so here you will see I have created this table. This is a student name, this is their class, okay, and this is their first semester number, second semester number and third semester number, and this is the total of their number. Okay, so here I will create this bar chart. So what you have to do, on the basis of total I will create here bar chart. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to just uh, enter a formula equals to then rept. Okay, then it will ask for text. So in text you have to just enter inverted comma open, then vertical bar, inverted comma close, comma. Now number of times here you have to select this total. Okay, now bracket close. Now you have to copy this formula to all the tabs. Okay, now I have copied the formula to all the cells. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to select the cell. Okay, all the cells where you have copied this formula. Okay, then here you will see go to home tab and here you have to change the font. Okay, change it to stencil. Now okay, now you will see this is the chart. Okay, chart bar. Now I'm going to change the color. Okay, change the color to this. So like this you can create in cell bar chart in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.